Hi guys, join me today as I review our generation Awesome Academy school room. So we got this from a flea market, so we won't have all the original accessories that comes with the toy, but we do have most of the things and we absolutely love it. As you can see, it mimics an actual classroom, so these blinds they can go up and down, and so do the windows. And here is a corkboard where you can actually pin stuff your kids have made, like an artwork or something similar. And there are lights that go on and off, so it's all pretty amazing. Kids will love it. Here are the desks that we got with the playset. One is blue and one is pink, and both of them are standard size for an 18-inch doll. This is the teacher's desk and chair. Like your real desk at school, you can also flip up this desk where you can keep all your stuff: erasers, pencils, notebooks, stuff like that. And this is the teacher's desk. So this drawer was a bit jammed, but it does open. And these are the other two desk drawers that open. And here is a sharpener for kids to sharpen their pencils. Of course, it doesn't really work, but it's a very nice addition to make it look real. And these are the chair. This is the chair. It has casters at its base, so it does actually move like a teacher's chair would move, and everything is really very well made. The classroom in general has a few alphabets and numbers at the top, and it has a white board and a green board on which you can actually write with markers and chalk. And on the whiteboard, when you write, you can easily erase it with a wet cloth. So moving on, here is the door for the classroom, which actually does open and close. And here is the outside of the playset. There are 3 lockers provided, where you can keep all your stuff, all your doll stuff, that is. And this is supposed to be the main entrance. The blue door doesn't really open, but it adds a very nice effect to the whole classroom thing. And this side is just a regular brick wall. As I mentioned earlier, since we got this off a flea market, so we don't have all the original accessories that came with the toy, but we do have all the basics. So here is the entire classroom at a glance, and it is nice and big enough for your 18-inch dolls to two of the dolls to sit inside, and along with one more teacher, so 3 dolls can easily fit inside. Here is our American Girl doll. As you can see, she can easily clear the doorway because it has been made with 18-inch dolls in mind. Here she is entering the classroom, so you can see it's very easy for the doll to get inside through the doorway. Let's put our doll on the desk, and it looks like a good fit, but ideally I prefer using 13-inch Disney toddler dolls, because when you use the toddler dolls, they don't usually overcrowd the whole playset, which I find with the regular 18-inch dolls. Here is our Elsa sitting on the desk, and she seems a lot more comfortable than our American Girl doll. So this is all about the Our Generation Awesome Academy playset, and if you get the opportunity to buy it for your kids, then please do, because I'm sure they will love playing with it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you next time.